Well, hello and welcome to another video. This one's going to be pretty brief. We'll be talking about different React frameworks, the four main ones. I'm going to start with Expo. Let me get that out of your way here. All right, so really I just did bare bones with all of these. Um, Essentially just ran the command create npx create dash next dash app at latest, followed by the whatever you want to call it. Uh, it might prompt you, if you want to install a few things, how you want to do it, and then from there, you can essentially just run npm uh, run dev, I believe it is, and that gets it going. And it's pretty much the same for all of them. One of them is like run develop. This one's actually npm run web. Um, because for Expo, it's mobile friendly. I tried scanning the QR code. Unfortunately, it didn't work, but I'm not going to dive into that. But it did work on web. And just to give you another look at what that looked like, just the local host 8081. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So that's Expo. Um, and now I'm just going to control and see that stop server. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. There's the JSON, um, the linting built in, which is cool. I guess we'll do Gatsby. This is my Gatsby site. That's what I decided to name it. So let me just switch to the right. Oh, did I spell something wrong? Yeah, because I assume you want me to just run through all these. What in the world? Uh, I could also just. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, let me copy that. No, okay, it's giving me a hard time for some reason. So I'm doing it the old way, or the new way, maybe. Uh, there we go. So I just had to take care of that, whatever that was about. So should be in the right thing. npm run dev. Is this one develop? Yeah, it was develop. Okay. um, Give it a second here. And yeah, it's cool that it's set up. The framework is kind of built in. Um, Helps you get started quick and move, based on best practices. Um, and it was cool learning about the pros and cons of it as well. There we go. Oh, this one takes a while. Um, but yeah, I think that it's a good practice to just kind of do this. Um, Guides can be a little bit tricky because, things depreciate, patches come, patches go, things like that. So, uh, just kind of talking for time here. Here we go. All right. Here we go. All right, moving back over to our new server. Let's take a look. Congratulations, you've just made a Gatsby site. That's kind of cool. I thought Gatsby had like a pretty cool sort of a flashy way they did their thing. Okay, on to the next one. Stop that. Oh yeah, let me just get out of this terminal. Maybe that was the problem. CD. Oh, give me a second here to switch to it. So I guess we'll do remix next. All right. That was quick. All right. I think I forgot an H in there. I did. All right, and this is what theirs looks like. Not nearly as cool as the other one. And finally, next. I'll save the next for last. All right, here we go. Um, let's see, npm run dev, and I said that it was going to be quick. We're at 6 minutes. Ugh. All right, so we have this, and now we're just going to paste that thing in there. Boom, and we're good. So yeah, it's really easy to get set up and get going with all of these, which is nice. Streamlines the process a bit. Uh, Takes some getting used to, and you might run into issues if you follow the wrong guide because syntax is outdated, that kind of thing. So be careful of that. Um, Definitely want to make sure that you have thought out which decision you want to go for which framework as well, not just choose one because you saw a YouTube short on it. That's all. Thanks for watching.